Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Fitness Buddy Plus app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Fitness Buddy Plus is a workout and fitness tracking app designed to help users exercise more effectively with guided routines, detailed instructions, and progress tracking. It includes a large library of exercises with photos and videos, personalized workout plans, muscle group targeting, and built-in meal suggestions for healthier habits. The app is available on both iOS and Android and is often used by beginners who want structured routines without hiring a trainer. The main feature of Fitness Buddy Plus is its categorized exercise library and ready-made workout programs. You can choose routines based on your goals like weight loss, strength training, muscle building, or home workouts. The app also tracks sets, reps, body stats, and progress, helping users stay consistent. Some versions include premium workout plans tailored to fitness levels. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in real use. Many users appreciate its clear exercise demonstrations, beginner-friendly structure, and ability to log workouts easily. The variety of exercises is helpful for people who want to learn proper form or explore new routines at home or in the gym. Its progress tracking features make it motivating over time. However, there are some drawbacks. Many advanced features, detailed workout plans, and nutrition options require a subscription. Some users report outdated interface elements or repetitive routine suggestions. The app also doesn't offer real-time coaching like modern AI-powered fitness apps. And syncing with wearables can be inconsistent depending on the device. In summary, the Fitness Buddy Plus app may be worth using if you want a simple, structured way to learn exercises, build routines, and track your fitness journey. However, if you prefer advanced coaching, modern app design, or fully personalized plans without a subscription, you might find alternative fitness apps more suitable. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.